Alright guys, so we're working on the 2015 Chevrolet Cruze here. Just make a quick video here on how to remove your belt for your water pump and your alternator and your air conditioning. This one here, we're getting ready to change out the timing belt. Getting close to 100,000 miles, and also we got to change out the timing cover gasket, and I'll do another video on that, the reason we have to change that timing cover gasket there, guys. Ran into a problem on this thing. We thought it was the oil cooler down here, and come to find out it's that gasket that's back behind the timing bell here. So I'll make another video on that here in the future. But right now I just want to go over a video here on if you do your timing belt yourself, you're going to have to remove this here, your engine bracket here. And what you want to do, guys, get under there and get you a block of wood or something and get you a jack and put a little tension on that bottom of your oil pan there, guys, so you can take this here loose. That way you got something there supporting your motor down there. And these here, guys, let me see here. I think those were yeah, those there, guys, were a 15 millimeter socket. You got a little nut here on this one. I went ahead and took everything loose already. That way make the video a little quicker. So you just want to take all those 15 millimeters out of there, guys. Lift this up out of here. Set it off to the side. And then also, guys, in order to get to this piece here, to get this piece off that connects to your motor for your motor mount, you got three 15 millimeter bolts here holding this on. And if you're just changing your belt, you're still going to have to take at least your pieces that I just took off, this part right here, guys. You'll have to at least take that off to change this belt out. But since we're doing the timing cover, we got to take this whole piece off here. We'll set it off to the side. And guys, to get your belt off there, guys, you just got this right here. It's a 13 millimeter. And it takes pretty good force there, guys. Quite a bit of tension on that spring. And you just take that off there, or hold that and take your other hand and pull your belt off your pulley there, guys. And then it's just reversal on how to put your new belt back on there if you're just changing out your belt here for this. So I thought I'd throw that out there, guys. It looks like I'm going to have to probably move that again to get it out in between this. That belt is really tight in between these two pulleys right here. So anyways, guys, I thought I'd throw that out there. I didn't see too many videos out there on the 2015. There was one I found on a 2011, but his was a little bit different there on how to take the belt off on that particular Chevrolet Cruze. So they must have changed these a little bit different, because on mine it takes a 13 millimeter here to take that, and then you got to force it that way instead of forcing it towards the front of the car. This one here, you got to force it back with your 13 millimeter in order to take your belt off there, guys. So not too difficult, guys. Like I said, you got to pull this here off, you know, take those off. And like I said, get you a jack. Put you a block of wood under there, guys. That way it supports that oil pan a little bit better there when you're lifting that, or taking a little pressure off the taking a little pressure there off this here motor mount. And then just leave your jack there until you get everything put back together, and then you can drop your jack down. But if that's just all you're doing here, and like I said, I'll come out some other videos probably on what we found out on the oil cooler, system. Like I said, we was getting some. I think I got some other videos out there, maybe on. We was getting some milky look here up here in the. Well, I already cleaned that out, but anyways, I had some milky looking stuff up in here in the oil fill area, and then also over there in my coolant tank. We're getting a little bit of oil mixed in with the antifreeze, and so we're going to have to change that that gasket that's back behind this here timing cover, which is going to be a pretty kind of a major job to do from what I'm seeing. So, but anyways, guys, I thought I'd throw that out there. Maybe somebody just wanted to change your belt there. Maybe your belt's getting bad. Good idea to change them probably about every 50,000, I would. And then if you're doing your timing belt, guys, they recommend some of them are saying 60,000. I think you could go probably, you know, I'm close to 100,000 on this, and I know it hasn't been changed yet. So while we got everything tore apart, we're just going to go ahead and change that out. And usually when you change that timing belt, you want to go ahead and get the timing belt and the pulleys. There's two pulleys in there, a belt tensioner pulley and just another idler pulley on your timing belt. Just go ahead and buy the whole kit there, guys. That way you know for sure you got all new components in there, and you shouldn't have any problems once you do that. I think there's plenty of other videos out there too, guys, on how to change that change your timing belt out on one of these. But I didn't see a whole lot of videos out there on just if you wanted to take your change out your belt right here, guys. Didn't see a whole lot of videos out there on that. Not too difficult to do there. So anyways, guys, that'll wrap it up on this one on removing your belt there for your AC system and your alternator and all your drive belt system there on one of these 2015 Chevrolet Cruzes. And we'll like I said, I'll get probably some other videos out there once if I run into some other problems there on changing out this here timing cover gasket system, and we'll throw out some more videos on that there. So guys, so we'll catch you on the next one there, guys.